Hi, this is Justin Popovich. You can actually see my picture on the left side of your screen there. Welcome to toolsformotivation.com. And on the other side of the screen, you'll see my business partner, Ted Payne. And in this video, what I'd like to do is give you a little tour of our site, talk a little bit about our self-help PLR products, kind of introduce you to what we do and the types of products you'll find here. More importantly, show you around so that you can get a feel for what we offer and how it might be able to help you in your business. So I'm just on the home page here right now, but what I'd like to do is head over to our store and walk you through basically the three different types of self-help products that we create at Tools for Motivation. So when you click the store, you'll come to this shop page, and you will notice a catalog of products. Now, depending on when you're watching this video, what you see appearing here will change because we release products on a regular monthly schedule. In fact, at the time of shooting this video, we release 5 PLR products a month, and that number is always, whenever possible, growing and increasing as we develop our program. Now, Tools for Motivation has been around for just over a year now, and we're shooting this video in the summer of 2015. But in the PLR world, we have been in the PLR business for over 5 years now. So all the products you see here have kind of evolved from our time creating content for over the last 5+ years. And you'll see our products basically broken into 3 categories with a 4th one called memberships. But we effectively sell content bundles, what we call full products, and what we call research reports. Now, as you go through our store, you can see there's a little title on each one of these. There's a content bundle, there's a research report, and there's a full product. What I'd like to do right now is quickly walk you through each one of these. So I'm going to do it by starting with our largest product of the 3, full product. And this one's called Becoming a Boss. The topic of this is dealing with leadership essentials. So when you come to our store and you scroll down, you'll get a full breakdown of our products. But most of the time, what you'll see with our full products is the following. You're going to see a main report, usually in the area of around 6,000 words, where the report will dive into the heart of the concept. So in this case, we're dealing with a leadership product. This ebook talks about the characteristics and the top 10 laws of leadership. You can see a little printout of what the ebook looks like there, and that's all fully editable in Word doc and Mac Pages format for you so that you have a workable ebook and you can customize and then create your own, right? Brand it with your business, your personal name, whatever it is you want to do with this content, you can brand it however you see fit. So it starts with the ebook. Then it also includes 10 400-word articles, also dealing with the topic at hand. So in this case, it's leadership. And these articles are important because when you go to start selling this ebook I just mentioned, you're going to need some marketing content to put up on your blog or on social media sites, or maybe you're going to do some white papers, or maybe you're later on get into webinars and other types of promotional vehicles. This content will really help you with your marketing. So we provide you with an article bundle, and those again are fully editable articles. We also give you a mini report. A mini report is important because it's a short little condensed version of the main report. It just kind of touches on the key things to kind of get people interested in the topic, but not give them the full scoop. And you can use this report as a lead magnet, right? Offer it to people to read it if they join your list, as an example. So we have this report. It's fully editable like everything else. But then we also provide you with this HTML squeeze page. You can say, hey, why don't you grab this report from us? Just send us your name and email, and we'll deliver that to you. So we give you a template to help you capture leads, and we give you the lead magnet itself that you can use to send your new subscribers as a gift. Next, we have a checklist. This checklist is cool because it breaks down the main teachable items from the ebook. And this comes in very, very handy if you want to give quick tips on Twitter, or if you want to go to Facebook and post a tip about leadership, you can just copy and paste this information and you've got your social media update. Or you could take it further and go to our trainer slide deck and actually begin creating video tutorials like the one I'm doing right now, or doing live presentations where you're actually facing an audience. You have a lot of different opportunities there. So the slide deck will help you get started, and we provide it in both PowerPoint and Keynote format. So whether you're on a Mac or a PC, you can create your own slide deck. We don't have to do it from scratch. You can start with our material and then just work with it. Then we have some graphical promotional content. So we have an infographic, which comes in fully editable PSD format. That means that you can edit, you can pull this thing apart and change it however you see fit. This sample here shows you what the infographic looks like. Now, if you aren't familiar with infographics, there's just a great way of sharing content. Infographics are usually some kind of collection of statistics or data, or just a graphical way of displaying some kind of information. So here you can see some leadership tips in the form of a graphic. And then there's usually a space at the top or the bottom of our infographics where you can put your URL to your website, you can put your name, you can change it up entirely if you like as well. And then we have some quote posters. So we've gone out and collected 20 inspirational or powerful quotes about the topic, so in this case, leadership, and we've developed a set of quote posters. There's 5 different styles here, and you can use these posters to spread the word about your main leadership ebook that you're selling, or whatever it is, whatever else you're going to be using this package for. So those are really great. They're all editable as well. And then we include some sales and download pages. So if you need some help writing the sales copy, or you need a page to help explain what it is you do, all of that's included here. Both the copy and the page templates are included in our packages. And then finally, we have a post-sales autoresponder. These are 10 email messages that you can use that are pre-written to send out to your customers after they buy from you. It lets you stay in touch, but also maybe gather some information from them, right? You can post little questions at the end of these emails and asking for feedback from your customers to come up with ideas for your next product and so on. So that is an overview of what a full product looks like. And when you go to our store, which I'm going to go back now, you can actually search by category and look through all of our full products. There's quite a few of them in our catalog as we speak. The next thing you'll see are content bundles. These are smaller, and these are designed mostly for helping you publish content on the web to drive traffic to your coaching or consulting products, or maybe you have some training, maybe you offer speaking services or downloadable courses like video training. These packages are great for offering free content on the web, blog posts and document sharing websites, so that people will click through and see what you're all about. So what we would do here, this topic is called body language. We create 10 articles on body language in a variety of formats, fully editable. Then we take those articles and we format them into 2 mini reports, which are important because if you want to use them on document sharing websites or for list building, like lead magnets, it's already done for you. You don't have to do anything other than take the PDF or maybe brand it and then save it as a PDF and use it in your lead magnets. Then we take all that information, we put them into audio articles or little mini podcasts, which is great because you can put this up on a website like SoundCloud, which is kind of like the YouTube for audio, and use that to promote your business. And our voiceover specialists have already pre-recorded it all for you. Or of course, you could merge those audio articles together with the graphics to create your own videos. There's a lot of flexibility there. And then just like with our other products, we have quote posters, different quotes, 20 different quotes on the topic at hand. So this one was body language, and you can use those quote posters however you see fit. So that's the second style of product. Full products, like the leadership one. The content bundles are a little smaller, and obviously the price is a little bit lower, but they're great for marketing and promotion. And then the smallest and third and final one on our list here is our research reports. This one's all about motivation. And what our research reports are designed to do are to give you basically little curation documents that you can send out to your customers or your subscribers that will just give them a little resource of information about certain topics. So this is a research report where we've gone out and we've looked at all the different keywords that Google, that popular searches happen on Google around the word of motivation. And then we've compiled a list of blog posts that deal with motivation, and you can recommend it. You can use it as like a recommended reading list for your customers. We've also taken forum posts and YouTube videos, as well as different products they can buy, all dealing with the topic. So you can see what the rough length of one of these reports looks like. Usually 10 to 15 pages in length, but it's a full research report. We have a dedicated staff member that spends basically full time going across the web and finding all these great resources with different topics. So you can go through our catalog and see all the research reports we have. There's one on motivation. The one previously was on body language. There's one on persistence. And you have this great big giant resource you can send to your customers saying, hey, if you want to learn more about persistence, I have a product, but hey, if you also want to see what's available online, I've made this giant white paper for you. Go ahead and read what else is out there. It's a really good complementary piece and just value add for your customers. And we've done all the work for you. And you just take those research reports and brand them. So that's sort of an overview of what the Tools for Motivation program is all about. I encourage you to visit the shop, browse around, see what's available in each product, and then we have a contact page here if you have any questions whatsoever. We're standing by at our help desk. Love to hear from you. We're also open to requests. If there's certain topics in the personal development space that you're looking for that you don't see here, let us know. It may very well be something that our team is capable of creating. We just haven't had the idea yet, and we'd love to hear from you. So thanks very much. This has been Justin Popovich, and I look forward to meeting you soon.